A breaking news has just occurred in the cryptocurrency world as Changpeng CEO Zhao stepped down as CEO of Binance as part of a major $4 billion settlement between United States agencies and the cryptocurrency exchange he founded. This proof that the security of Binance has weakened and we all have to find a better exchange at least. Let's get to this topic today. The announcement from Zhao and multiple regulatory agencies on Tuesday capped years-long investigations by the Department of Justice and others into anti-money laundering violations and sanctions violations. In a press statement, Binance said it would take responsibility for not having appropriate compliance controls. When Binance first launched, it did not have compliance controls adequate for the company that it was quickly becoming, and it should have. Zhao's departure as CEO, which was first reported by Forbes, will not be a complete separation from Binance. Zhao entered a guilty plea to the Department of Justice's charges of anti-money laundering and sanctions violations on Tuesday afternoon in federal court in Seattle as part of the settlement. Binance also reached a settlement with the Department of Justice, DOJ, the Commodities Futures Trading Commission, the Office of Foreign Assets Control, OFAC, and the Department of Treasury, FinCEN. As a result, the Treasury Department will have access to Binance books and records for a period of 5 years. The SEC previously charged Binance and Zhao in June with operating an unregistered exchange and misleading investors by using a Switzerland-based fund Sigma chain, which was also owned by CZ, to inflate the trading volume on Binance's US platform. With that being said, all crypto investors must invest to a better exchange with a better security, which it is Bitget. Now you may wonder how to use Bitget exchange from registering into trading. Here is a guide for you. Register or sign into Bitget by accessing their website. After that, you can click Spot Trade as all the token is listed in this section. Spot Trade is like the core of crypto trading. Before you are getting further, you can deposit some USDT to trade those tokens if you haven't. Now you can find all those cash cow tokens listed there. Voila. That is all the steps to do a spot trade on Bitget exchange. But make sure you research and make further analysis with technical analysis. So that is all for today's video. Make sure if you like this kind of content and information, give it a thumbs and subscribe for more. Stay tuned.